Welcome guys, this is Optimal FS where profitable strategies are being shared. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, kindly watch the previous videos and you will find profitable strategies that will serve you according to the type of trader you are. In this video, I want to review to you a profitable strategy you can use to trade volatility 50 1x index profitably. Volatility 50 1x index profitably. Now this strategy is very simple and straightforward. If you are a beginner, this strategy will serve you profitably. If you are a pro trader, this particular strategy will serve you profitably. Now let me show you how the strategy works. Only indicator here is what? ADS. Only ADS indicator is used in this particular strategy. Let me show you how it works. Whenever you see the crossing in the ADX whereby the green crosses the yellow, do you understand? Now look at this. Look at this is the candlesticks where the crossing occur. This is the candlestick where the crossing occur. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing the candlestick? This is the candlestick where the crossing occurs. So at this point, this is where you need to make your buy position. Do you understand? At this particular closing of this particular candlestick, this is where you need to do what? Make your buy position. Do you understand? This is where you need to make your what? Buy position. Do you understand? Now let me show you very clearly. This is where the crossing occur. You see it, and this is the candlestick where the crossing occur. Do you understand? So you need to do what? Take your buy position there, and this is what? Excess gain for you. The strategy is very simple, as simple as what? Anything. Do you understand? A beginner will use this particular strategy and make profitable trades. A pro trader will make use of this particular strategy and make what? Profitable trade. Do you understand? Now let's proceed. This is another crossing here. Watch it. This is another crossing here. Are you seeing it? And this is the candlestick where the crossing occur. Are you seeing it? At the closing of this particular candlestick, you need to do what? Sell. You need to do what? Sell. Do you understand? You need to do what? Sell. At the closing of this particular candlestick, you do what? You sell. Do you understand? Now let me show you clearly. This is where the crossing occur. This is the crossing here. And this is what? The candlestick where the crossing occur. Here is the what? The candlestick where the crossing occur. So immediately the candlestick closes, you need to do what? Take your what? Sell position, and this is what? Excess gain for you. This is what? Excess gain for you. Do you understand? Trace it up, you will see it. That's where the crossing occur. Do you understand? So at the closing of that particular candlestick, you do what? You take your sell position and the excess gain. Do you understand? Now we move. Now look at another entry here. Look at another profitable entry. Look at it. This is where the crossing occur. Look at the ADS. Look at this ADS. You see it? See where the crossing occur? Now trace it up. This is the candlestick where the crossing occur. Do you understand? This is the candlestick where the crossing occur. So at the closing of this particular candlestick, you do what? You buy. At the closing of this particular candlestick, you do what? You buy. Now let me show you clearly. This is where the crossing occur. Do you understand? Now you trace it up. You do what? You trace it up. This is the where it's do what? Take your buy position. After the closing of that candle, you take your what? Buy position. As easy as that. Do you understand? And if you watch the buying still continues. Excess gain for you guys, excess gain for you. This strategy is what as easy as anything. A beginner can use it and make a lot of gain. A pro trader can use it and make a lot of what gain. Do you understand? So let's proceed. Now watch here. Here is another crossing. Here is another crossing. Look at it. Look at it. Here is the crossing. Do you understand? Then you trace it up. This is where you need to do what? Make a what? Buy position. Do you understand? This is a what? Buy position. Now we proceed. Look at this. Look at this one. This is what? Sell position. At the closing of this candlestick, at the closing of this particular candlestick, look at the candlestick. At the closing of this particular candlestick, you do what? You sell. At the closing of this particular candlestick, you do what? You sell, and that is what? Excess gain for you. That is what? Excess gain for you. Let me show you. Here is what? Here is the crossing, right? And this is the candlestick where the crossing occur. So once the candlestick close, immediately the candlestick close, you do what? You enter sell position, and here is what? Excess gain for you. As easy as that. Do you understand, guys? As easy as that. A pro trader will make use of it. A beginner will make use of it. Do you understand? And it will pay you heavily. Do you understand? Watch the video over and over, understand it and apply it. It will serve you very, very well. Do you understand? Now the settings, the indicator used here is what? The ADS, only ADS. Period is what? That. Do you understand? The style, the color of the what? The style should be the same as the background of your screen. Do you understand? That is only indicator used here, and enjoy your what? Trades. You enjoy your what? Trades. If you love the video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you.